Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I turn these basic canned black beans into a delicious bean recipe. So for this you are going to be needing some olive oil, and you are going to be needing 1 onion, and I have some water I'll be using, and I'll be using a little bit of real Jamaican curry powder. And for this recipe I am using 4 canned black beans, and you are going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright, so to get started, I always make sure I wash the top of the can. Just run it under some cold water, okay? And first, you want to make sure you shake the can, which I should have done before I try opening it. And I'm going to open it halfway because we are going to dump this water out. I normally do this over my sink, but just because I want to show you guys what I do, I'll be showing you guys right here so you guys can see everything. So I fill the inside with water, shake it up, and try to drain that slimy liquid that the cans usually have in. So I'm going to do that for both of them, or not both, for all 4, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I cook it up. Now you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple tablespoons of oil and add in your onions. We are going to fry the onions for a few minutes. We don't want them to burn at all. We just want them to be translucent. Okay. Oh goodness. Again, we are not looking for any color in our onions at all. So I'm going to let that fry and come back and show you guys when I add the beans. Alright, as you guys can see, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the canned beans. Okay, and some of them I did end up leaving a little more liquid than the others, but the thick liquid on the bottom is always going to be there because we do want the beans to be a little thick once it's done cooking. Okay. And the amount of water you put in depends on how many cans of beans you are cooking. So I'm going to put like 1.5 cups of water into this one, just because I want the water to cover the beans. And now I'm going to put like 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder, and I'm going to put a little bit of ground black pepper. And you guys, of course, you can do this with fresh black beans. You can cook your black beans and then follow the same steps once that's cooked. But I know because of this corona thing going on, most people right now have canned beans at their house. So I just wanted to come and show you guys an easy recipe that you can use cooking canned black beans, or canned any beans for that matter. Okay, so now I'm going to let that boil, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit just so it can simmer for a good 20 minutes until that soup is nice and thick. Okay. All right, guys, my beans is all cooked. As you can see, if you don't tell anyone these are canned beans, no one will know. I made this video because I know the average Haitian especially normally wouldn't go to the store and pick up some canned beans, but I just want to show you that you can make a delicious semi-sauce pois from canned beans, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, and obviously, as you can see, I didn't use any Maggi, none of that stuff, and it's still delicious. Hopefully you guys will try this recipe. Again, since I know most people have canned stuff at their house right now, you can eat this with some white rice. You can make some legume or stewed chicken, whatever you want to eat it with. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with everybody you know, and also don't forget I am doing that giveaway. That giveaway will close on Tuesday, this week Tuesday coming, so make sure you enter so you can win an air fryer. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. Please stay safe, you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.